Back. Easy this way. And now you need to lock those buckles, all of them. And this jacket needs to be much fit to your body, guys. So again, hold those straps and pull them front. Then it will be tight. Oh. Second thing, we need helmet for your head safety, guys. So we have different colors, different sizes. So I would say don't go over the color. Okay. So we have white one, those are small, silver one, those are medium, red one, those are large, and blue, green and yellow, those are XL and double X. You see the name tag on the front, it comes on the front, guys. First you're gonna figure out your helmet, put on your head, buckle. Third thing we need, and the plate. So your first hand goes on the T-grip, thumb down, open the top, lock the T-grip, and second hand, near by the plate, just take a little step and hold it. This way you're gonna hold it tight. Always your both knuckles outside. Oh. And now, what about your day bag and valuable things? You are not going to carry with you your phone, wallet, anything. So if you have day bag, keep your mobile phone, wallet on your day bag, and your day bag goes on this big duffel bag. This big duffel bag goes on our vehicle, so you will get your all stuff at the end of it. Here guys, so put your day bags on. Okay, stop guys, stop. Hey, stop guys. You just need to slide down to the water. Hang with the rope, okay? In my count, 3, 2, 1. Go jump guys, come on. Okay, now listen guys, do not put any weight on your hands. Just lay down on your back. Easy, you will float. हाथ में वेट नहीं देना है. Perfect guys, just stay there.
We have to leave the rope or what?
No, don't leave the rope. Just stay with the rope. All good everybody?
Yeah.
Your jacket is floating you? Or not? It's working?
Yeah.
Perfect. Did I mention you we have crocodile on this river? Guys, look here. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Say loudly, are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's go forward. Let's go. Come on, dig it hard. And it's stop, guys. Okay, now you can see the rapid, guys. Go forward, guys. Come on, forward. Go, forward, come on.
forward, guys. Come on, harder. Harder, harder. Come on. Go, go, go. Forward. Come on. Okay, stop everybody, stop. Everybody look here. How was the rapid? Perfect. Go forward, come on, forward. Come on, dig it hard. Go, go, go. Harder. Go, go, go. Okay, stop. Hold it, hold it. And go away. Go, go, go. 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 Kick that up and go away. Go. You also go. Go, go, go. Yeah, you go. Kick that up, kick that up. Go on the edge, guys. Go on the edge. Sir. Go, go, go. Hold it.
Don't do anything, just hold it.
Okay, hey ma'am, go on the edge on this rope. Go on the edge. On this rope. You also go, move, front. Go forward. Okay, stop guys, stop. Go forward guys, come on, forward. Okay, stop. Go forward guys, come on. Okay, stop. Go forward guys. And stop. And everybody look here. How was the rapid?
Very nice.
Okay, stop. Go forward. And stop. Two, one, come on, lean back. Stay there for a while, come on. Stay there. Stay there, guys. Stay there. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, guys. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Shiva, go back. And everybody, come back. Come back. Come back. Come back.
You didn't have to put the water.
So, how's it?
It's a completely different perspective.
Everybody, look here. Are you guys ready?
Yay!
loudly. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. Forward, guys. Come on, dig it hard. Harder, come on. Go, go, go. Hard forward, guys. Come on. Okay, stop, guys. Stop. Go forward. Go, go, go. Forward. Come on. And stop, guys. Stop. Okay, back pedal, guys. Back pedal. Come on, back pedal. Okay, stop. Hey, hold it up. Hold it. Perfect. Wait, wait, wait. Come here, come here, come here. Wait, wait. All right. You good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, there it is. Go back to your position. Okay, stop, guys. Stop. Come on, guys, say loudly. Are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, go forward, guys. Come on, harder. Dig it hard. Come on. Hard forward, guys. Go, go, go. Forward. Come on. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Go forward, guys, forward. Okay, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Go forward, guys, come on, forward. And stop, guys, stop. You guys look here. How was the rafting? Come on, come on, go, 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 forward. Dig it hard, guys, come on, dig it hard. Go, 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 forward. Okay, stop, guys, stop. Go forward. Okay, stop. Hey, stop, stop, stop. Go forward, guys. Come on, forward. guys. Lock your pedals. Put your both legs out. Put your both legs out, guys. Come on. Okay, go jump, guys. Come on, go jump. Hold the rope and jump. Go, go, go. Okay, everyone, go on the front now. Go on the front. Okay, kick the raft and go away. Kick the raft. Yes, go, go, go. Go. Give me hand. Go on the edge, man. Go on the edge. Go. Kick the raft. Kick the raft. Go. Go, go, go. Hey, hold it up.
Hold it.
Alright, ma'am. Pull him up. Yes, you can. चलिए चलिए मैम चलिए ट्राई 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 सर रोप को दबाना है ठीक है दोनों हाथ से पुल 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 यही होता है जिंदगी में कोई फायदा नहीं है सर मैम उधर चले जाओ पीछे बैठ जाओ इन माय दोनों हाथ से पैर पीछे ले जाओ 1 2 3 Come on, harder. Okay, stop. Go forward. Go, 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 harder, come on. Okay, stop. And stop, guys. Stop, stop, stop. Go forward. Okay, stop.